Welcome. I would like to show you the SAP EPM 10 matrix security profile. Unlike any data access profile, the security matrix profiles allow you to have a read-only or write-only access based on two or more dimensions. So in this particular demonstration, I would like to show you two-dimension matrix using using a product and a region in this example. So I have three data access profiles here. The VP of sales has write access across the products and the region, but apparel and footwear have a limited access. Apparel sales have write-only access for footwear in only regions Africa, Asia, Pac, and Europe. But for the profile has write access to Africa, Asia, Pac, Europe, North America, and South America, basically the rest of the world. Similarly, footwear sales also have a two-dimensional security profile. Let me take you to a SAP EPM 10 web admin screen. So in here, I'm in team admin screen and I can add or remove profiles from this screen. So let me show you first my data access profiles for VP sales. So the VP sales, as you have seen from my PowerPoint slide, has a write access to all entities and all products. So let's see how it looks like. Here you go. So apparel sales profile is a little complex because the profile allows you to write and or read only based on particular intersections of entity and product. So let's jump to an EPM 10 input form and see if the user has the right profile or he or she can enter into those intersections. Again, going back to the team, right now the user is assigned to an admin team, and admin team currently has VP sales, which is you can write data to both regions as well as products. Okay, so this is an EPM the EPM report where you have products across the columns and region as well down in the row. Let me first refresh the report and bring the data in the system. So currently in the system we have some data for shoes in some regions. I see it's in South America and North America regions, Argentina, Canada, and United States. Let me first clear up this region. Remember, I'm using a VP sales data access profile. Okay, we are trying to clean it up. Okay, all the records have been successful. Okay, in the sheet 2, I've just saved the data. Let me copy the data and try to submit it. I paste only values, and let's see if the VP profile is able to send the data across all the products and regions. Yes, so we had no issues sending the data. Let's switch back the team to have only apparel data access profile. I like to use teams to change the data access profile, and I think it's a better way than assigning users directly to data access profile. So first place, I remove the VP sales profile and add the apparel sales, and I save it. So it's saved in the background. So for a quick recap, let me show you what the apparel sales is trying to do. So it has restricted access. You can write only to Asia Pac, Africa, and Europe for the footwear, and you can write for all the world apparel and accessories. Let's try to do the same here. Again, let me refresh it. Okay, so apparel data access profiles didn't have any problems in reading the data across the products and across the regions because we didn't have any restriction access. Let me try to save a new data set, which I have it here. And do a paste as a text in this region. Whoops, this is not what I intend to do. Let me try again. Values. Okay, so I have changed the data, but let's see if it can save it to the database behind database. Okay, it reached 30 records. Okay, so here is it. So we were able to write only data to 21 regions intersections, but 9 of them were rejected, and it gives us which are the records which were rejected and the error message. Though it doesn't say exactly why we don't have an access or we do have an access. Let's jump back to the profile again and see. Yes, we tried to send some footwear data for North and South America, and it didn't like it, so that's what the error message is. So similarly, I want to try with a three-dimensional approach. Can we do a matrix security using 3 dimensions, using region, footwear, and time? I can see a scenario where a area manager or a national manager probably now has access since 2014, and probably he might not have access 2015 or 2016. Similarly, he might not have access now, but he may have access in the future. Of course, using a work status, you can lock the periods down, but that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to give him security based on time dimension. Let me try it out and see how it goes, and I'll try to post in the next session my findings. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please do reply back to the blog.